This video is sponsored by Adobe Express. Creating video content consistently is tough, but here's how I create polished videos in minutes using Adobe Express. I'll start with a pre-designed video template to skip the blank page and speed things up. Adobe Express offers templates in a variety of styles. Here I'm choosing one that fits a coffee brewing sequence for roastly coffee. This was originally a matcha template, but I'm just replacing the visuals to fit my coffee content. Now I'll swap out the existing clip with my own footage to make it more relevant. Then I'll update the text, adjust the colors, and add my logo to match my brand. Now let's add some animation. With just a few clicks, you can turn static content into something much more engaging by animating text, images, and elements. Now let's add some music and a few subtle sound effects to bring it all together. I'm using a chill lo-fi track to keep the vibe clean. I'll also drop in a subtle whoosh sound effect to make the transitions feel smoother. Now I'll resize this for different platforms. I'm switching it to a horizontal format. Adobe Express automatically adjusts the layout and gives multiple options to choose from. And just like that, the video is ready for multiple platforms. Give Adobe Express a try and let me know how you use it to create videos in a snap.